Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, we are going to walk you through how to tune your arm to your liking. When we ship these arms, they are already tuned to the best optimal values for gravity compensation as well as assisted motion. But if you ever feel like it's not meeting your need, you can change them and customize them to your liking. All the tuning options and the math behind this tutorial is documented at docs.trosson.com/TrossonArm. In this quick tutorial, I'll be walking you through a simple script that helps you modify the joint state characteristics, specifically the friction constant value. A quick heads up, any changes that you make will be stored in the EEPROM. That means they will persist even after the program ends. A quick factory reset will restore them to the original shipped values. We start by configuring the arm, specifying the model and the end effector. In this case, we are using the WidowX AI base model. Next, we set the joint we want to tune into gravity compensation mode. This allows you to interact with the joint while the rest of the system remains stable. The script fetches the current characteristics for the joint. While we tune the friction constant in this example, you can also modify other parameters like effort correction, friction coulomb coefficient, friction viscous coefficient, friction transition velocity. Each parameter affects the behavior of the joint in different ways. More on this is described in the documentation. So before you run the script, make sure that you move the arm to a position where the joint you want to tune can move freely. In our case, we are using the joint 4 for demonstration. So let's move the arm to a position where it can hold itself. You can turn on the controller and wait until the lights are green, and once the lights are green, the arm can hold itself up like this. Let's run the script quickly. And once you start the script, you can see that joint 4 can now freely move while the rest of the arm is stable. Increasing the values will make the assistance easier, and decreasing them will make it difficult to move. So if I increase the value by 0.1, you can see it's easier for joint 4 to move now, but it starts oscillating. So you might have to reduce the value again. Once you have values that are good enough for your use case, you can go ahead and hit Ctrl+C. This will halt the program, and now the values are stored to the EEPROM. You can tune the rest of the arm by following the same procedure for the rest of the joints. All these values will be stored in the EEPROM, and they can be used for the rest of the programs or the rest of the experiments that you are up to. That's all for this tutorial, and thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.
Trosson Robotics, helping innovators innovate.